It's different here. A history built upon cardiology giants. Nationally recognized cardiovascular education that propels to the highest levels.
There really is no area of cardiology that we don't have real national and international leaders who can help connect our trainees with not only cutting-edge science, but networking with others throughout the world.
Serving a community that is thriving, growing, and exciting. This is a place where roots can sink deep. A place that grows fellows into leading cardiologists to serve here and around the nation.
It takes all the great parts of different programs all over the country and puts it into one program that has it all. Training program that's excellent, top-notch research that everyone all over the country and all over the world knows about. It's a one-in-a-million type of place.
The culture is very different here. To be able to train with people who are just so excellent at what they do, but care so deeply about you as a trainee and as a person.
Welcome to the Cardiology Fellowship Program at St. Luke's Mid-America Heart Institute and the University of Missouri-Kansas City School of Medicine. From its thriving arts scene, sports teams, music, and its renowned dining, Kansas City is a great place to belong, with a welcoming community and a lively nightlife. Right in the heart of it all is the prestigious training site for the UMKC Cardiovascular Fellowship Program, St. Luke's Mid-America Heart Institute.
The world's first freestanding heart hospital began right here in Kansas City.
We are fundamentally driven to help improve our understanding of how best to treat patients with cardiovascular disease.
We are walking alongside and sitting alongside world leaders. The amazing part of that is these physicians are very humble and really invested in our education to the point where they don't need to let you know what all they've done. They just need to instruct you on how to be the best that you can be.
Our fellows, after their training, are highly sought after. We've sent fellows to the Brigham, Mass General, Harvard hospitals, to Columbia University in New York, to the NIH, to Mayo and Cleveland Clinic. What we find is that a lot of people choose to stay. They love the culture, they love the people, they love the special place that this is.
I feel that support in whatever you need in personal life and in professional as you're preparing for your career.
It is a program that is going to train me to be an excellent cardiologist that can stand on my own 2 feet at the end of the training in just 3 years.
High-volume, hands-on clinical experience is coupled with conferences, simulation labs, and research designed to augment and extend principles taught at the bedside.
Because we have so many areas of strength and expertise within cardiology, whatever subspecialty or general practice pattern people want to pursue, there is a lot of flexibility in this program to do that.
There are probably 30 different clinical tracks that somebody could pursue if they do general cardiology here. They can get their master's degree, they can get their executive MBA, they can get their master's degree in clinical research.
We have the luxury and the ability to nurture the research interest and passion of the fellows rather than force them to pursue our research interests and passions.
The Mid-America Heart Institute stands alongside only Duke, Yale, and Harvard as the partner institutions for the National Cardiovascular Data Registry.
If you're someone like me and you fall in love with things at every step in your training process, cardiology is lovely to be able to kind of hone your interest as you continue to learn.
Our fellows not only have access to St. Luke's Mid-America Heart Institute for their training, which is the primary training site, but also University Health, which is a safety net institution, a county hospital where they have the opportunity to work with diverse patient populations, have even greater autonomy, and be able to serve the underserved community of our region.
You will work hard and you will learn to become a great cardiologist, but you'll be able to also at the same time be a great partner, a great parent, a great child, a great friend.
We really promote a culture of trying to be the best person that you can be.
It's the best place to train. There's no door that's not opened at the end of your fellowship.
Our mission is for our fellows to be well-trained, well-poised for any job or any career path that they choose after fellowship.
You can do anything here.
Learn from our nationally recognized program and the legacies of St. Luke's researchers, specialists, and compassionate expert physicians.